Hey everybody, it's game time. Your local luckiest card breaker in the world for the last few weeks. Although, you're going to have to check. I'm not even going to tell you. I've opened a couple of boxes that posted up before this one. I'm not even going to tell you what came out of those. You got to check the video out and see for yourself. I know, damn you, but just check it out. Alright, Rookies and Stars, 4 hits. Haven't opened this since it came out. Gonna try to use my newfound crazy good luck and see if I can turn one of these hits into gold. There's gold and then there are heels. First time I opened this, I did get a 1 of 1, but it was just a plain base card, a Kirk Cousins 1 of 1, which I still have. If anybody's interested, link to my eBay store is below in the links below. I already forgot how many packs here. Just 6 packs, 10 cards. So lots of cards in the packs, 10 cards in each pack. Alright, we're starting off with, looks like we've got a hit already. It looks like an old school Ram. Let's see. Hearns, Cousins, Brady. No, it's a new school Ram. It is Jared Goff. Just a plain little jersey swatch. NFL authentic jersey. Precision Passers, Cam Newton. Jordan Howard, Touchdown Club. Mahomes, Action Packed. AJ Green, Crusade. I love the Crusades in this. Love, love, love. This is numbered at a 65. Sweet. Deron Payne and Sam Darnold, rookie. Hunt, Freeman, Rogers, action-packed Andy Dalton True Blue version to 49. So a parallel of that insert. Joe Flacco, Standing Ovation. Garoppolo, Star-Studded insert. Matthew Stafford, Precision Passers. Matthew Stafford, Touchdown Club. Carlton Davis, and Christian Kirk rookie cards. Benjamin Roethlisberger, Gurley. Ooh, Ezekiel Elliott, Crusade to 25. Oh my gosh! Well, there's answered the question of my luck still good. Wow. Now, granted, this is not a rookie autograph, but I mean, he is a stud, and that is numbered to 25, and is an absolutely gorgeous card. So, the luck train, choo-choo, rolls on. That was really dumb, wasn't it? Yeah, sorry about that. Can I have a do-over? The luck continues. Wow, that really is a pretty card, seriously. Wow, okay. What else we got here? Action-packed Matt Ryan, Von Miller, Standing O, Sam Darnold, Rookie Rush, Precision Passers, Drew Brees, Roquan Smith, and Daniel Carlson rookie cards. Wow, that is really a pretty autograph. That's something else. Looks like we've got another Crusades too. Sweet. Derrick Henry, who turned it on there at the end of the season. Love him. There's Zeke. Christian Kirk. Year 1 jersey card. So what are we? Oh no, we've got 2 jerseys and the 1 auto. So we still should have another auto somewhere in here. Marvin Jones, Touchdown Club. Robbie Anderson, Action Packed. Standing Ovation, Andrew Luck. A Cam Newton Crusade. This one is numbered at what is that? Hang on. 85. Not one of my favorite players, but I do love the Crusades. MJ Stewart and Cortland Sutton rookies. Alright, 2 more packs. 1 auto somewhere in here. Hopefully. Don't do me like that, Panini. Let's see if it's... I'm trying to see if it's this pack. It looks like it's going to be the next one, if we have one. Thielen, Ramsey, Mahomes, a Mike White rookie to 25. Lots of people kind of digging him, so that's sweet. Star-studded Drew Brees. There's a Baker Precision Passers. Wish that was a parallel version. Evan Ingram Touchdown Club. Roethlisberger Action Packed. Ronnie Harrison and Naheem Hines. Alright, this is it. Don't do me wrong, Panini. It doesn't have to be anything great, but give me what I paid for. Let's see. I don't see anything turning back. Well, yeah, I do. Okay. Phew. I was getting scared. I got scared there for a minute. Alright. Standing ovation. Tom Brady. Josh Rosen. Rookie Rush. Sweet. Sam Darnold. Precision Passers. Le'Veon Bell. Touchdown Club. Kazir White. Rookie. And Will Disley. Rookie. Crap. Julio Jones. Garrett Blunt. A True Blue Malik Jefferson /49. That is a rookie. Julio, LeGarrette, and Ito Smith. Well, it is a short print /25. Not one of the top rookies, but who knows? It is longevity parallel, so that's cool. So between this and the Zeke autograph and 2 decent jerseys, it's a pretty solid box of rookies and stars. Let's take another look at the Zeke, because that is sweet. I like it a lot. Alright. Well, still 2 more boxes back there. Contenders and Prism. The cream of the crop. Well, not really. There's much higher price boxes, but it's the cream of my crop. I'm not going much higher than that. I can't do those $500, $1,000 boxes. I can't do it. I just can't do it. So anyways, if you want to see what comes out of the Prism and you want to see what comes out of the Contenders, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Smash it hard. And if it didn't register, smash it one more time. And you will get notified when I break those boxes, which is going to be very soon. And yep, that's it. Everybody take care. I'll be back in my next video right away. Okay, soon. All right, bye.